it's an NDA candidate.
As the Lok Sabha election takes centre stage and campaigning process reaches its feverish pitch, along with political parties and candidates in the fray, the expectations and aspirations of the parties are also juggled, with each taking their own shots on the issues and concerns of what should be and what shouldn't. Here is a report.
Along came opinions and observations of the public with the promises and assurance of each of the candidates battling the Lok Sabha polls. And while few pitched for development and issue-based outcome, many other focused on the candidate. Tony Ho S. Karsati, a law student at Nehu, laid emphasis on creating more employment opportunities. He expects the elected should provide youth-oriented policies.
Bunda ke development ro ini ke state ndai tang ba shuang ba kyunra ba ha ka Lok Sabha ro ngakwa ba eki ban ken tai bhai ke state ke ndai tang man shu agree ba ya ki eki ba ong ka ki ruling parties ke.
A political science student, Gerald Albert Kurba, stressed on the need to choose a candidate based on their capability to perform. Kurba said issues of unemployment, inclusion of Khasi and Garo language in the 8 schedules, border issue and development in the rural areas should be the key issue.
Unra ya shibun kimat kibamangi samlang ya kendu takalong hakajing bumyo kam yo jam je kumnu ban pli kilat klenti ban aikam ajam ye ki kun samla kumnu ban sengkam sengjam kawai kalong kamtam ya kimat chong ajat mendri wata kebangi dawa hadu menta kalong ban perung yakin kasih hak khanit bapra.
A teacher, Kular Khongjirem, said the elected representatives for Shillong seat should bring back the past glory of the state. He said if the right person is not elected, the state of affairs will remain the same and the state will remain development staff.
Kila rang, yang miklaya, hang ti po parliament. Hapor yang ba hoban yuta bamkwa hidwal blay. Kini kiwanra, yang kanam kupurom, yang gerikasi. But ngiyo I hagito gipon kami klaya yung I kanlong sisya kumong Professor Gigi Swell, a patch of grace and beauty and a shining outpost for the whole of India. Kalong sisya ka nuksa giveaway ki benta yung ke India. Nek bersusi kalong ba hajine gisnam gi bladam ini gi fausnam hadin yung Professor Gigi Swell hadin yung iba hoban bat giveaway yung ba joy ngiyo I ba kadali kam rasalia tham. Ya, Jibril yang ini nang ni nampak miklaya.
Bureau Report Didi Meglaya.